I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your TV's USB playback capability and preferred file types. MP4 is safest. Once done, format the pendrive to FAT32 or XFAT on your computer because many TVs cannot read NTFS. Make sure to back up any files before formatting. Next, copy the movie files directly to the drive root or into simple folders. This reduces load time and prevents the TV from missing files. Now you're ready to move to connecting the drive. You insert the pendrive into a rear USB port and power on the TV. Rear ports usually provide more stable power. Then use the TV remote to open source or media player. Allow a few seconds for the TV to index files. Once the list appears, navigate with the directional keys and select the movie file. Make sure to check subtitle and audio track options in the player menu. If audio is absent, switch tracks. If playback starts, adjust volume and picture mode to taste. You finish by watching the movie and confirming smooth playback. If stuttering occurs, pause briefly to let the buffer fill. If a file won't play, re-encode it to H.264 MP4 at 1080p because TVs handle that well. Use a simple converter on your PC. If the pendrive isn't detected, test it on a computer and try another USB port or a different drive. Sometimes size or formatting causes issues. One key troubleshooting tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.